Hello students. This is my last lecture class on the chapter The Portrait of Lady. I have given the two classes on this chapter and this is my last class. This is my final class. Okay? And in today's class I will conclude everything, every details of the chapter. Okay? So students, this short story is written by Khushwant Singh, and this chapter is the personal experience of Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh is a very famous Indian English writer. Okay, he has written so many novels based on the reality and based upon the his experience. And this chapter, The Portrait of Lady, is the depiction of the bond and the familiar fragrance, and you can say that the special touch between him and his grandmother. Okay, I have given you the detailed summary of this chapter. Okay, so today I am going to give you a quick review. The story is divided into some sections. Actually, the story is not divided, but I have divided this story in some section. The first was the village life. In this section, the author explains the life in the village with his grandmother, that how his grandmother spends the time in the village and what kind of connection between both of them. Then there was a turning point in their friendship when they come into the city life. In the city life, the grandson, means the author, goes to an English medium school where he collects the theories of science, which is completely opposite of the thinking of his grandmother, because his grandmother was a very pious religious lady and she knows only the religious customs, so she was not able to understand the scientific theories. For her, learning the music is a kind of taboo. Okay, taboo means the black faith, black magic. Okay, so learning music is a kind of taboo for grandmother. Then the story divides and there a pain of separation you can feel when you will move on in the story, when author has a separate room, because now he creates some privacy, because now he was the student of the higher education system, means a college. Okay, and he moves to abroad also. He moves to abroad where he stays for 4 to 5 years in the abroad, and this time the pain of grandmother is visible, but she never speaks about this pain. Okay, then the story comes at a platform when author returns, and when Khushwant Singh returns from abroad by completing his studies, he finds that grandmother is as equal pretty. She is now continuing her time to spend with the sparrow feeding, and she celebrates the homecoming of author by singing and dancing with the neighbor women friends. Okay, now the story comes to a conclusion when the grandmother dies. Grandmother falls ill. She was in the condition to be recovered, and doctors was also positive that she would be cured, but grandmother feels that she is going to die and she wants to be left alone. She was muttering prayers and died. At the funeral time, the condition of the funeral time was very painful. Actually, some people, including the author, feels the magic, understands the magic is created by the sparrows. Sparrows creates a circle around the dead body, and as the body departs to the Shamsan Ghat, you can say that at the funeral point, the sparrow leaves the house and never returns. And here the story ends. Even the sparrows haven't haven't eaten any rice and any grains given to them. So it indicates the connection between the sparrows and the grandmother. Okay, so here the stories end. Students, actually this is a very special story. Okay, and in this story you can feel that your connection with your grandparents. Okay, if you spend the time with your grandparents, then this story will give you a very kind of relief and soothe. Okay, so here the story ends. Students, as you can see on the screen, I have given you the themes. Actually some themes I have given you in my last PDF also. Okay, so the same themes are here also. Here I have given some themes. In this story you can feel the theme of innocence. Both the grandson and grandmother, both were very innocent. There was a very strong friendship between both of them. Love is easily visible. Okay, next theme is connection. So you can feel the connection between grandson and grandmother and the sparrows. Okay, next, kindness is easily visible. Selfishness, grandmother was not selfish. Okay, she was a very understandable lady who is ready to sacrifice her emotions. Respect, the author receives the higher education, the scientific education, but he does not stop respecting his grandmother. Okay, so one more thing, acceptance. Grandmother has a difficulty to accept the new customs, but she accepts, and sacrifice is yes, very much visible in this story. Students, what kind of style you can observe while you will read the story? The first style is, the whole chapter is a pictorial description. पिक्टोरियल डिस्क्रिप्शंस का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर आपको कहानी पढ़ते समय उसका पूरा इमेज भी अगर आपको सामने दिखने लगे, that kind of description is pictorial description. And in this chapter you will be able to imagine the character of grandmother. Okay, next there is a pen picture of grandmother. Pen picture means that words will present a picture of some human being or the nature. Okay, यहाँ पर words के through human beings का nature explain किया जा रहा है. One more thing, imagery is वही होता है pen picture, pictorial description have one more name which is imagery. Okay, the story is written in the style of autobiography. The whole story is autobiography. The author has presented himself with the pronoun I. ऑथर ने खुद को आई से रिप्रेजेंट किया है, और जब अपनी कहानी कोई खुद कहता है तो दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टोरीज आर कॉल्ड ऑटोबायोग्राफी, और दैट स्टाइल इज कॉल्ड ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल स्टाइल. So the whole story is written in the autobiographical style. Okay, even when we write our experiences in the diary, that style is also the autobiographical style. उसमें हम लोग यही कहते हैं कि डायरी मैंने आज ये किया, मैंने आज वो किया. That is a autobiographical style. Okay, students, I have given you some questions also. and I hope if you don't have any kind of problem by explaining these questions. One more thing, the all questions are very short answer question. Your word length maximum should be 50 words, 50 to 60 words. इससे ज़्यादा words का आंसर नहीं लिखना है. Okay, these are the 2 pages of the question and answer questions. Hope you have understood the chapter, and if you have any kind of difficulty, then from today my number will be flashed in the group. You can personally message me and ask me any kind of doubt. Okay, hope you will understood the class, and if you have any kind of difficulty you can do message. Okay, I will reply must. Okay, thank you.